Love me tenderly, love me true, all of my dreams fulfilled. For my darling, he loves you, and he always will.
And who get this lady to be married?
We have her friends and family, people love her the most, the king of rock and roll. She's all here. All right.
All right, well, this is the moment you've been looking forward to, huh? Oh yeah, all the way in Las Vegas with Elvis, joining the two of you in the sight of God. John and Linda, I'm sure that you plan to make your relationship very, very successful for the rest of your lives, huh? That's the idea, huh? And the good thing is it was also God's idea, and so he gave us an instruction manual to go along, because he built males and females differently, not only on the outside, but especially up here. And that translates into built-in basic needs that are different. They have to be filled, and we can't fill those of ourselves, so somebody has to do it for us. We traditionally end up getting married. Yeah, your wife expects you to fill her needs for the rest of her life. Your husband, he expects the same from you. So the very first lesson we really need to learn well about the marriage relationship is we are not into it for what we get out of it for ourselves first, but for what we bring into it for the benefit of the other first. See, this way we keep peace in the family. It's because when those needs are not filled one by the other that trouble starts to brew along. See, that's how that works. So in the Bible, God gave us insights into all these needs, so we keep each other happy. One of the most important needs that your wife has, John, that you have to fill throughout her whole life consistently, if not even her greatest need, is for her to always stay completely safe and secure in and of your love. You must never give her an opportunity to even doubt it. Many reasons throughout life, but also your wife, she blooms the best when she's loved the most, you see. So she needs an overdose of love, comparatively. And because love cannot be seen at all unless it is demonstrated and expressed, the easiest way to do that is to tell your wife every day how much you love her, how much she means to you. And during the year, buying her some little gifts, and flowers and jewelry and perfume and a Harley, that helps a lot, so especially when it's not a birthday, big points for that. So lots of very important principles to follow for marriages to succeed. So pray together, pray for each other, study your instruction manual for yourselves, the Bible. You'll never be sorry for that. Everything we need for life is in there, in all of its facets. This one and the next. There's too much religion out there, not enough of God. Elvis, do you know the song?
Sure. Wise men say, only fools rush in. I can't tell, falling in love with you.
Face each other, please, and John plays the ring on Linda's finger, and repeat after me. Linda, I give you this ring.
Linda, I give you this ring.
As a pledge of my love and commitment.
As a pledge of my love and commitment.
I take you to be my wife.
I take you to be my wife.
I promise to be your faithful husband.
I promise to be your faithful husband.
I will love you and cherish you.
I will love you and cherish you.
Respect you and honor you.
Respect you and honor you.
Provide for you and protect you.
Provide for you and protect you.
All the days of my life.
All the days of my life.
And Linda, please place the ring upon John's finger. Say, I give you this ring.
I give you this ring.
As a pledge of my love and commitment.
As a pledge of my love and commitment.
I take you to be my husband.
Take you to be my husband.
I promise to be your faithful wife.
I promise to be your faithful wife.
And I will love you and cherish you.
And I will love you and cherish you.
Respect you and honor you.
Respect you and honor you.
All the days of my life. All right, John and Linda, after hearing the vows you exchanged with each other in the sight of these witnesses in the sight of God, by the authority given to me, by the laws of the state of Nevada, I officially pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride, sir. Big applause.
One more kiss for your wife, sir.